Egg.
What did you find?
2 eggs.
Huh? What did you find?
Mommy, what's the 2 eggs?
You got 2 eggs? All right, come on. Say hi, chickens. Hi, chickens. The pond is frozen. Look at that.
Okay.
We need to find some rocks.
I just skipped the rock, but it stuck first.
Okay. Is he gonna jump in the water?
No, he's not going to jump in. He's just going to create waves.
You're gonna sink the dock.
Go to the end of it.
Is the ice broke? Most of it.
Listen at it. All right, the guys are out teaching the kids gun safety and
Being
how
men.
to shoot. Yeah, they're being men. And Joey sleeps, so Misty and I are hanging out, looking out the window, getting ready to drink some coffee. Still need to back the camera out a little bit. So, yep, I can't wait.
And crochet.
Oh yeah, and crochet. Look what she's doing. She's making these little teeny butterflies. Aren't they precious? Mm-hmm.
It's ready to fire. Sight it. Tight seat. Take a deep breath. You don't only want shit once?
It was okay.
Get up there. It's ready to fire. Gotta hold it tight. Wait when you're ready. Sight it. Boom. Got one more. Good job. Ready? Jason, you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's good. And then look at it. Pull. Wherever you are. Look at it. All right, good job.
Should we go in the window? No, I do not.
Ready? Back up, mate. Range shot. Hold your
That's
head.
weapon.
I could not just keep on pulling. I would have been up. I would have been right there. All right, that's it. Wait, let it get a little distance before you. That way you're not jumping the gun, because it is a tight choke, so you got to be on it. Okay. All right, cool. There you go. You see, when you were trying.
Are you alright, baby?
They're mighty big, aren't they?
Bull's making its way up. Come on, boy.
Look at the eyes.
Here you go.
Look, they like it. Look, your eyes don't like it.
Hey, quit it.
Those are the wild ones back there.
The ones that are running, yeah, because they think we're going to get them.